Hey everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to add a waitlist feature to your Shopify store. First of all, log into your Shopify website. So you can use that. There are many options. There are many apps installed here. So now we have to install the app called Waitlist. Then search for Waitlist above. Then click enter after writing. You can see many apps here, so I'm clicking directly on the Notify app. After clicking on the app, scroll down and see an option called Open. You will have this option installed and you will install it. I have already installed it, so here's the Open option. Then I see on my screen an option called Continue. You may also have an option here called Installed. You will install it. There are several monthly package options available for you to purchase anything. Then click on the pin symbol you see on the left side. And that's it. You have successfully added a waitlist feature to your Shopify store, allowing customers to sign up and be notified when products are back in stock. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorial.